Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm unboxing the newest kit from Felicity Jane, and this is Lindsey. So I am super excited since, if you didn't know, my name is Lindsay, and no, I did not design this kit. This kit wasn't designed for me. It just so happens to be my name on the kit this month and some of my favorite colors. So I am really excited. You know, Valentine's Day falls in February, so you'll see a lot of that kind of theme in this kit, but it isn't necessarily just a Valentine's Day kit, so you can use it for a variety of projects, not just Valentine's Day projects. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you what comes in the kit this month, and then I also have some extra goodies that are in the shop that coordinate with it, so I will show you those as well. So let's go ahead and start with the die cut pieces. You get 44 pieces in here, and there's all these tiny little hearts I'm going to try not to lose. And let's see, I got one little lost heart there. Okay, so here is a look at Lindsey, and if you're not familiar with Felicity Jane kits, yes, I am on their creative team, so they send me these kits every month to play with, but I was getting these kits long before I was on their creative team because I just adore them. And each month is a different girl is kind of the theme for the kit. And so here is a look at Lindsey, super adorable with her little heart cut out, little wonky heart cut out. And then you've got all these fun die cut pieces. So you've got three tags here. And I like that these have, you know, not the traditional hole as the top. It's got like a rectangular cutout, so kind of different there with a heart, the word love, and then I love this dark floral pattern. And you'll notice some of you were commenting already that you really liked the color scheme of this kit because it's not traditional reds for Valentine's Day. It's like this deep strawberry color and light pink, mints, yellows, but there's no real red in here. So it's kind of nice if you're not a big fan of the color red. Got some florals because Felicity Jane is all about the florals and black and white patterns, which I love. You have all these tiny little heart confettis. These would be fun to maybe create a little shaker pocket or something with. You've got tons of labels here. You've got big word always. You could pair it with this little love cutout, say love always as like your title. Love the font in here. You've got some tabs for all you Bible journaling gals. Whoop whoop, there are tabs. So if you don't Bible journal, don't worry. You can still use these in a traveler's notebook, in a planner. You can layer them behind, you know, photos and die cuts and things like that on a traditional scrapbooking layout. But for those of us who Bible journal, it's kind of nice to have some tabs thrown in there. I love the like faux stitching detail on this one here. And of course the color scheme. My office, there's a lot of items that are like pink and yellows or golds and this minty green color, so that's awesome. You've got the good stuff, this, and of course tons of those little heart pieces in there. So you got 44 die cuts. Let's take a look at the journaling cards. So if you didn't see on my channel, I have started doing Project Life this year, so here are some 3x4 cards that'll work for that. If you don't do Project Life, don't worry, you can still use these to layer behind your photos, or use as tip-ins in your Bible journaling, or just use as little clustered layering bits on a layout. So don't feel like you can't use these if you're not doing a pocket page style scrapbooking. So we've got this one here that says This Is Us, this minty green wave pattern, black and white with a floral. Love this one for all of you lister gals. If you want to journal out a list, you could add some stamping detail on the top there. This kit really kind of reminds me of the Brie kit with some of the colors in it. So you may be able to mix and match like that fuchsia pink color with the Brie kit. This like cross-stitched heart, this rainbow stripe. I love this one with the mint colored grid. I want to remember. Dark floral. This is like a strawberry pink and white polka dot. Love this. Cross stitch heart and then a scallop stripe. And all of the journaling cards from Felicity Jane are a neutral grid or dot background on the back side. So you have some room that you could journal on the back side if you wanted to maybe make a little tag for a pocket or something like that. So there's a look at the journaling cards. And this month we also get a roll of washi tape, which you'll see is the same floral pattern that we're seeing throughout the kit. So, so pretty. I love the kind of hand-drawn, messy look of the florals in the kit this month. It's really cute. And this is like a white background, so it'll kind of meld into whatever, you know, you stick the washi tape on, and then it's got that floral pattern. Really, really cute. We've got some epoxy heart stickers, 35 pieces, and you've got some black and white patterns with a mix of colors. This gives you a look at the colors in the kit there. You got that fuchsia pink, a mint, light pink, yellow. And these do have some dimension to them, but not too bad, so you can use them in, you know, a variety of different projects there. These are really fun. One thing I noticed about the kit this month is there's lots of fun just different textures that I haven't really played with before. So these are some rubber charms, which I have never really had rubber charms before. These do have some dimension to them, but really, really cute images here. You've got a variety of sizes. You've got some little hearts there. I would use a really strong adhesive when adhering these down, like Ranger Multimedia Matte. You could use your tiny attacher, maybe some red line tape. You just want to make sure you use a good adhesive when adhering this type of material down. But you've got this scripty love. It's really pretty floral. How fun is that? And it's got so much detail to it. Look at this buffalo plaid heart. I mean, it's so detailed. How fun and unique is that? And then some little florals. So you've got 12 pieces there. Some more texture. We have some foam stickers. So it has like this white foam, and then it's backed with patterned cardstock. Got the word heart, some flowers, some different hearts, and then a scallop border here. Again, really fun, kind of just different textures and dimensions in the kit this month, which I really, really love. So, so cute. We've got the alphabet is a chipboard alphabet, and it's all uppercase letters. There are no numbers in this set. It's just letters, but there is some punctuation. And it's like these little swatches of color that have been put together to form the letters. And there's even this, like, I don't know, distressed texture to it. They're just super, super cute. I love the colors, love the dimension, and that big blocky font. It's just really, really different. I love that. You've got the 4x6 stamp set, and somebody pointed out to me that I will now have a stamp with my name, which is super awesome. So each stamp set has a stamp with the kit girl's name, and I don't usually use those, but this month I will be able to use that. But there are plenty of great sentiments in this stamp set. You've got love. This is one whole piece here, but you could go ahead and do stamp surgery using some like really sharp fine nose scissors, and you could cut this apart so that you can, you know, maybe do it more of a square shape if you wanted to. It doesn't make your stamps cry, I promise. You can cut them apart, or just leave it as it is. We've got these sentiments with all my heart, love you more, love her, love him, love ya, XOXO. Ours is my favorite love story, you and me, and then this scripty love word. You've got this floral that has the outline and then the interior piece, so you could stamp this in color, and you could stamp it directly inside or slightly offset would be kind of fun. You've got a little heart here and this heart border piece down here. So great pieces that you can use in a lot of your memory keeping projects and things like that. All right, and now let's look at the 12x12 papers. So I actually have 2 packages of the 12x12 papers, but you only get one in the kit. So I've laid them out so that you can see the A side and the B side at the same time. So you can see this is the B side to this paper. So you have floral and pinstripes, of course, Felicity Jane, all about those really beautiful feminine florals. And then the back side is a black and white stripe. You've got Swiss Dot and Ledger. I love this Ledger paper. It's so, so fun. Looks like this like notebook paper in the mint in that strawberry pink color, and then this pink and white polka dot. We've got stripes and hearts. You can see that black and white heart there. You've got sketchy dot and love. So this is that mint with these little sketchy polka dots. And then this one's really cute with the word love front and backwards all over it. So you could even fussy cut that out and use that as part of your title if you wanted to. That would be really fun. We've got hearts and dot grids, so just a black and white polka dot, and then the little pieced together hearts with the colors from the kit there. And I love that it's a random pattern. It's kind of, you know, it's not perfect like the polka dot is. Squiggles and squares. So you've got this black and white grid pattern and then this light pink squiggle pattern there. And then the solid cardstocks, we have the strawberry pink and then that lighter kind of blush pink. You've got mint and then this fuchsia pink color. And these are slightly larger than 12 by 12, so you can leave the scallop border on there or you can cut that off and use it as a scallop branding strip. It's up to you, but really, really pretty papers there. So there's a look at everything that comes in the Lindsey kit. You can either set up for subscriptions. If you sign up for a subscription now, it won't start with the Lindsey kit. It'll start with next month's kit. Or you can just individually order the kits, or you can just jump on and order the bits and pieces that you like the most out of the kit. You don't have to order the whole kit in its entirety. But let me go ahead and show you some of the other things in the shop that will coordinate with the kit this month. And I think yes, lost a piece there. Okay, this is what I am most excited about. So I did go ahead and add in a piece of magnetic paper into here, but there's gonna be a coordinating die set that you can pick up to go with the stamp set, which is so awesome. These dies are really nice quality. I tested them out. They cut like butter. So you've got a piece that's that same scripty love word here, and then the shadow. So I've gone ahead and cut it out of the, let's see, I did the shadow in vellum and then the scripty word in like a pink cardstock, so you can kind of play around with layering the different papers. And then you've got the word love in individual letters, so you can either, cut it out of a piece like this and just use this as your title, or you can use the individual letters to spell out, or rearrange and spell out the word love there. And then you've also got the die that goes along with the heart border, the flower, and then this little heart here. So I love that you have that option to pick up a coordinating die set so you can get even more use out of your stamp set. There's some wood veneer hearts in the shop that would go great with this, with a whole bunch of different kind of sizes to those hearts there. We've got a black and white buffalo plaid washi tape to go along with all that buffalo plaid accent that was in the kit. Got some wood veneer heart confetti. Love those, super cute. And then this red confetti was actually released in December with the Holly kit, but it's like a more pinky red, and so these would go great with the kit this month as well. So either pull out what you got in December if you've got these, or if you didn't pick these up, you can still pick these up to coordinate with this kit. There's also a 6x6 paper pad, and it comes, or paper pack, and it comes with 2 of each pattern. So I have flipped these over so that you can see the front and back. So you've got a black and white heart, black and white stripes, and all different, kind of bigger stripes, smaller stripes, with this wonky sketched pink heart, and kind of a medium black and white stripe. Love this black and white floral pattern. Reminds me of the florals that were in the Jill kit last month. We've got a black and white polka dot in a couple different sizes there. Several sizes there, lots of black and white polka dot. We've got the buffalo check, got a black and white stripe. I love this dark rose floral there. A black and white grid, and then some more black and white hearts. So those would be great to, maybe if you're wanting to do a whole bunch of cards this month, if you're wanting to hand make Valentines maybe with your daughter, something like that, you could pick up some extra goodies to go along with the kit this month, or just for, documenting photos. Not everything in here is super lovey-dovey. You can kind of, be creative with how you use the products in here. So check out the description box. I will have links to everything that I talked about today. Those are affiliate links, just heads up. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.